Welcome, in this video we are going to learn nbname scanner NetBIOS auxiliary module in Metasploit. The nbname auxiliary module scans a range of hosts and determines their host name via NetBIOS. Let's open up terminal and type nmap 192.168.1.10. It will take few minutes. Here I am forwarding it. Here you can see that 139 port is open, NetBIOS SSN. Let's open up Metasploit console, load nbname module, type use auxiliary scanner NetBIOS nbname. Type info. Here you can see that module information, basic options, batch size, the number of hosts to probe in each set, rhost the target address range or CIDR identifier, rport the target port, threads the number of concurrent threads, discover host information through NetBIOS. Let's set required options. Type set rhost 192.168.1.1 type set threads 255. Let's see the option. Type show option. Here you can see that all required field is set. Let's execute it. Type run. Here you can see that 192.168.1.107 target PC name is YTPC, OS Windows, request to 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.255. So that's it in this video on nbname scanner NetBIOS auxiliary module in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.